Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about function declaration. Okay, so function have mainly three aspects. Those are known as function declaration, function definition, and next one is function call. Okay, these are the three important aspects in function. Okay, so first one is function declaration. We all know declaration is nothing but memory allocation. Okay, allocating memory for the functions. Okay, so here function declaration must be declared globally in a C program to tell the compiler about the function name and function parameters and return type. Okay, so this function declaration tells the compiler about the name of the function and return type, so what the function should return, and the parameters. Okay, what are the rules, what are the variables. Okay, so these are the function declaration. The next one is function call. Function can be called from anywhere in the program. So the main advantage of function is reusability of code. Okay, code reusability. So whether you write one time, okay, so here I defined a function in the program. You can call this function n number of times. Okay, so that's why we use function. So for performing specific task. The parameter list, whatever the parameter list in the function call should match with the parameter list in the function declaration. Okay, so function declaration and function call must be same parameter, must have same parameters. We must pass the same number of functions as it is declared in the function declaration. So how many whatever the number of functions are declared, that should be similar to function declaration and function call. Okay, the next one is function definition. So in a function definition, it consists the actual statement. So we all know function is used to perform one specific task. In function declaration, we declared one function by using return type, function name and parameters. Okay, in a function call, we are calling the function. Okay, so here function definition consists the statements that are used to perform one specific task. Okay, so actually functions are used to perform specific task. So here definitions are used to define the task, define the statements. Okay, so it is the most important aspect to which the control comes when the function is called. So when the function is called, okay, if you call one function, the control passes to function definition and executes the statements to perform one task. Okay, here we must notice that only one value can be returned from any function. Okay, only one value is returned from function. Okay, so next, see function declaration. So the main importance of function declaration is it tells the compiler about the function name and how to call the function by using return type and parameters. Okay, so the actual body of the function can be defined separately. Okay, so here the syntax to declare one function is return type. So here return type is nothing but int, char, float, double, whether the function returns which value, either integer value or character value or null value or boolean value. Okay, so here if you didn't specify the return type, it will take int as default type. Okay, so return type, function name, so name of the function, whatever the rules for identifiers, those rules are the function name should not start with a digit and the function name should not contain any keywords and blank spaces are not allowed in function name. Those are applicable for function also. Okay, next one is parameter list. Okay, so parameter list, here there is no semicolon in function declaration. Okay, sorry, so there is a semicolon in function declaration. Next one is example. So here return type is int, function name is max, parameters are int num1, int num2. So parameters are used to declare the variables. Okay, parameters are used to declare the variables and you can pass those variables to function definition. Okay. So here declaration consists of three parts: return type, function name and parameter list. So here you can declare in another ways also. So here declaration of function with no input parameters. So here void is a return type, printMatrix is a function name, but here it didn't contain any parameters. Okay, you can specify the function without parameters also. Okay. Next one is, so here void is a return type. Void means nothing, null. Okay. Declaration of a function with one input parameter and integer return type. So here int is the return type, is even number. So function name should start with lowercase letter and every word in the function name should start with uppercase letter. Okay, this is the function name and int num is the argument or parameter. Next one is declaration of function with multiple input parameters and integer return type. Int getSum is the function name and int num into num2 are the parameters. Okay. Next one, declaration of a function with no input parameters and integer return type. So here int get random number. So here parameters are not there. Okay. You can specify a function with return type, function name and parameters. You can specify a function without return type, with function name and without parameters. Okay. You can specify a function with return type, with function name, without parameters. Okay. Without return type, function name, with parameters. Okay. You can specify a function in 4 different ways. So in these 4 different ways, function name is compulsory. Okay. So here return type and parameters are optional, but function name should be clear. Okay. Important points about function declaration. So here some of the important points. Function declaration in C ends with semicolon. Okay. So function declaration should end with a semicolon. By default, the return type of a function is integer. I already said this. So here, if you didn't specify any return type, it will take int as a default value. Okay. Next one, function declaration is also known as function prototype. Okay. So prototype is nothing but a ready-made model. Okay, one model. Name of the parameters are not compulsory. Okay, name of the parameters are not compulsory in a function declaration. Only their type is required. Okay, hence the following declaration is also valid. So here in this declaration it contain only return type, getSum is the function name, int. Okay, so here we are not specifying the variables. Okay, we are not specifying parameter name, that is A, I, O, like this. So we are specifying only int. Int means data type. Okay, it is also valid. Okay, so if the function definition is written before main function, then the function definition is not required. Okay, if the function definition is written before the main function, no need to declare the function. Okay, no need to declare. If the function definition is written after the main function, so you must write function declaration before the main function. Okay, so let's see one example. So here C program to show function definition before main. So before main, if the function definition is there, no need to write the function declaration. So see this. So here hash include stdio.h is the header file. Next, function definition before main in case function declaration is not required. In this case, function declaration is not required. So this is the main function. I am writing function definition before the main. Okay, so that's why no need to write the function declaration. Okay, so here function definition consists return type, function name and parameters. So there is a difference between function declaration and function definition. Function declaration ends with a semicolon. Function definition should not end with semicolon. Okay, so here program execution starts from main function. We all know. So first int main a comma b comma sum. So a, b and sum. Enter two numbers. So I am storing a10. I am storing b20. So a and b. Next, calling get sum function. So sum is equals to next get sum. So get sum is a function. So here we are calling function by using function name, that is get sum. So whenever you are called the function, the control passes to function definition and executes the statements. So here a value is 10, b value is 20. Next, return a plus b. A plus b is 30. Okay, so where 30 is stored, sum is equals to, so the calculation is stored in sum. Okay, now sum contain 30. So after executing this function definition, it will return back to in this place. Okay, print sum is equals to %d sum. So sum value is 30. 30 will be displayed. Okay, so in this case no need to declare the function because you are writing the function definition before the main function. Let's see one more example. So here C program to show function definition after the main function. Okay, so first hash include stdio.h, function definition after the main in this case function declaration is required. Okay, so these are the comments. So comments are not executed, those are only informative purpose. Okay, next I am declaring one function. We all know how to declare function. Okay, so return type, function name, parameters. So here parameters are a comma b and function declaration should end with semicolon. So first I am declaring function. Next int main. Okay, a comma b comma sum. A, b, sum. Next I am taking two input values, those are 10 and 20. Next sum is equals to get sum. Again we are calling the function. Now control passes to this place. Okay, get sum function. Okay, so a value is 10, b value is 20. Parameters are all also passed. Return a plus b. So that value is stored in sum. We are displaying sum. So 30 will be displayed. Okay, so I hope it is clear where you use the function declaration and where the function declaration is not required. Okay, so function declaration, this is the syntax. Okay, it is very important. Next, function definition consists a set of statements. Okay, and next function call is done by using function name. Okay, and parameters also. So by this class is completed. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.